Guud Lyfe Smoothies video for you. What I got going on here, of course, is today I'm going to take this paint off, but of course with the paint thinner, both this location, also this location as well, because when the wrap goes on, there's a bunch of drips and shit all over here, so we're going to get that out of here. Inside is finally complete. It's the generator location here. Miter's on point. Everything looking flawless as it should. I even there was a gap inside, so I put that same detail here. I placed it inside so you don't see the gap going all the way up. Back over top of the generator box. Same thing here on this side, going back over top of the generator box as well. So real nice detail. Example of that, or clear example of that, is here. This isn't done, but there's another gap underneath here. But what was done in between now and before, we got the blenders in here. Got the little wire in here. I got to secure the back. The backsplash is on. Same thing here. It's a secure. Also, now this we have a switch where the outlet, the plug, of course, goes into the outlet here, and you have a switch to switch it on and off right here. And so that will, this goes back to the pump, which is back here, which the water pump is in here, where the freshwater tank is at. And that will now allow me to cut this on and off when I need to cut it on and off. Same thing here. So in preparation for today, I want to get my other sign, wherever it's located, for employees to go up here to be aligned with these three. There'll be one more sign here, and I'll put locks from the interior, probably mounted on here and also on here. That way it secures everything from inside, and also I'll make it visible so people can see it, because this will not, these windows will not be tinted with the wrap. Only the back windows for the doors will be wrapped. Outside of that, everything is done. I'll do one more walkthrough of everything, and that's where I'm at right now. Also, I gotta secure these lights in as well, but this one light I gotta still paint up underneath there and secure that light in, and everything else is ready to go. This is Chris signing off.